What happens when being the fastest isn't enough? When failure strikes again and again, what do you do next? Zuri was always the best, quick to rise, quick to win. But lately, every deal slipped through his fingers. No matter how fast he worked, failure greeted him every time. One night, alone in his apartment, staring at his unfinished tasks, frustration boiled over. Why isn't my speed working anymore, he thought. Then, something inside him shifted. A quiet voice whispered, maybe it's not about speed. Maybe you're missing the lesson. The next day, Zuri approached his work differently. Instead of rushing, he slowed down, embracing each failure as a step forward, not a setback. He learned to trust the process, listen to his instincts, and grow. Soon enough, he landed the biggest deal of his career, not by moving faster, but by moving smarter. Sometimes, it's not about how quickly we get there, but how deeply we learn along the way. When you pause and listen to your own inner voice, the setbacks reveal their lessons. Through patience and persistence, the journey becomes more rewarding than the destination itself.